Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you the 3 different types of wraps you can do in Google Sheets. The 3 wraps are overflow, wrap, and clip, and the default in Google Sheets is overflow. So overflow is when you have text in a cell, and if it's long enough, it flows into the next cells over. So right here in this example, I have the Infinity Saga Phase 1, 2008 through 2012. So long as there's nothing else in these cells here, this text is going to continue on. But if I type in X here, it's going to stop. So this is overflow. It continues on into the next cells so long as there's not something else in the next cell over. A wrap keeps everything in the cell, and then it wraps it down. It actually expands the cell downwards so that it stays within the dimensions of the column, but it expands the dimensions of the row. So that is a wrap. And then clip, it keeps everything in the dimensions of the column and the row, but it stops it at the end of the column. So in this example, if I were to type in something in my overflow, it would clip it automatically. The clip just stops it no matter what. There doesn't need to be anything in the cells over. It doesn't overflow. It just stops at the end of the cell. So to get to these different types of wraps, what you need to do is go up to Format, go down to Wrapping, and you can see overflow, wrap, and clip. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the examples right here. So phase 2, I'm going to make sure it's an overflow. It already is, so I don't really need to do anything, but just to show you for transparency, I would go to Format, Wrapping, and then I would click Overflow. And then again, I'm gonna actually turn this one off to show you the transparency. Format, Wrapping, Overflow. See how I took away the wrap. But if I wanna add a wrap here, I would go again, select the cell, Format, wrap, and then wrapping. And then you can select multiple at once too. You don't need to select one at a time. Obviously, I didn't want to do that because it does change up a lot of the formatting when you do the wrap. And then clip again, if I wanted to clip it, I would just select it, format, wrapping, and clip. And that is how you use the wrapping feature in Google Sheets. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.